Hello everyone, my name's Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Hey everyone and welcome. It's a great day today. I have an unboxing to do. I believe is my Treasure Studios art painting. I'm really excited to unbox this. This is one of the new paintings from the new artists that Treasure Studios Art has brought in. So let me get my scissors. Here they are. And let's open the bag. And I'm just so excited to see this one. When I saw the few images that this artist was coming out with, I was like, ooh, I gotta have those. So, have you all ever had that moment where you're looking at a painting and you're like, ooh, I've gotta have that? That happens to me a lot lately. I have been very good though. I have not spent a lot of money this last few months on diamond paintings. So, I've been very good. I haven't really stuck to my no-buy, but I've been very, very picky on what I'm going to get. Okay, let's see if we can get this box out. All right. So, let's just make sure, yeah, that's what this is. And to get all this stuff cut off. The box is a bit on the scrunch side. Got some dents and some folds in it. I'm not overly concerned, but yeah, it's still kind of seen some better days there. Now I do know that Treasure Studios Art is going to be launching some new shipping packaging, I should say, and I'm not 100% sure, when that will begin, but it will be starting soon. So let's pull everything out. So there's our canvas, and the drills are inside the canvas there, and then there's our toolkit. That's it. All right, just in case, Treasure Studios Art has a really nice toolkit. I love the bag that it comes in. It is branded here. Comes with a standard white tray with the spout. Just kind of carefully pour this out. Generous chunk of wax. Then we've got a 3-placer and a 6-placer. A pink comfort grip. A white sparkly single placer pin and a 10-placer. And I love these tweezers. They are so nice. These are not the super sharp tweezers. They are blunt, so they're rounded at the ends, which makes it a lot easier and less painful. So they have a really nice toolkit. Love their toolkit. I'll just put all that back. And let's get into this canvas. Okay. There we go. All right, I'm going to pull out the drills first, and then we're going to let this canvas sit and give it some time to sit and straighten out on its own. Just Just gonna put some stuff on there that's a bit heavy. There we go. Now that we've given it a few minutes here, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more heavy stuff down there. And let's take a look at their drills. Now, Treasure Studio's art, one of the things that I really like about their kits is that they're kitted up and ready to go. There's no need to put your drills in storage container systems if you prefer to work out of the bags themselves. So they do come in their own individual Ziploc bags. This is a square drill. There we go. Open that up. We've got a little stowaway there running away. Treasure Studio's art also sends an inventory sheet, and there is the thumbnail of this gorgeous painting. This is going to be beautiful. Just love it. This painting is a 40 by 80. It's a full square, and it is called Gone with a Book. It has 33 colors, so it's going to be really, really pretty. So let's just take a quick peek at some of these colors that we have here. Beautiful. Look at this. A dark mint green. That's going to be pretty. We've got 413, which is a dark gray. 321, a rich red. Oh, 310, but you know what? I'm not going to complain. That's a small bag of 310. 225, a nice pink. And then 224, which is a little bit darker than that pink I just showed you. 150. And 3840. Ooh, that's a pretty color. It's got a few stowaways in there, but very pretty blue. We also have 3841, a really nice light blue or a powder blue. 3813, kind of a slate greenish blue. 3803. 922. 819, we're all familiar with this color. 809, really nice blue. 721, there's not very much of that, but very pretty. Ooh, this is a pretty color. 792, really nice. Another, a lot of blues. There's going to be a lot of blues in this painting, but that is beautiful. 823, we're all familiar with. It's a dark blue. And we've got, oops, this is a fairly big bag, 3756. It's kind of a light mint green. 3747, gray. 938. 926. 964. That's pretty. That is a beautiful color. Ooh, this one's pretty. Okay, if I can get it, there we go. 3849. I don't think I've worked with this color before. That is pretty. That is really pretty. 701. It's a big bag. That is a really nice green. And then we have 453, tan color or sandy color. 603, kind of a hot pink. 3045, a darker tan or sand. Ooh, this is different. 3607, wow, that's a pretty pink. 3761, another blue. 3721, kind of a brick red. 647, I've used this many times. And a big bag of $8.90. That's a nice green. It's a really dark green. And this is almost a fluorescent green. It's 906. So really pretty colors. Let's see if I can get these bags back in there. Or at least attempt to get them in here. They're not going to be as nice and neat as they were. But we'll get them in there the best we can. All right. These are really beautiful colors, guys. I am really very pleased with the quality of their drills. So let's take a look at this drill field, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be okay for now. Now again, with Treasure Studios art, it is not poured glue, so you do not want to roll this the opposite direction. Even though it's got a clear protective sheet, you do not want to roll this the opposite direction. And wow, there it is. Let me just bring this way here. This is just beautiful. So let me just zoom the camera out a little bit more. There you go. This is going to be so pretty. Wow. Okay, so let's take a look. So we've got lots of palm trees here. We've got a nice sitting area here. It looks like there's a hammock here. Just beautiful. I'm just looking at the thumbnail on the canvas. Yeah, it's really hard to tell. The thumbnail's kind of small, but it's going to be really, really pretty. And then you've got the ocean background through here. So it's gonna, oh wow, this is gonna be just amazing. Wow, okay. Probably not gonna be working on this anytime soon, because I've got a couple of TSA paintings that I want to start before this one, but this is going to be amazing, guys. It is so, so pretty. I am going to insert a picture right here showing you what this painting is going to look like once it's completed. Yeah, so by saying that, everyone, I am going to go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. Also, everyone, before I end, just to remind you, I am an affiliate with Treasure Studios Art, and if you're considering purchasing this gorgeous painting or any of the beautiful paintings that they have, please go down to the description below. I will have an affiliate link down there. That link will give you 15% off of your purchase. Yes, it will give me a little bit of a kickback, but it will give you that 15% off, which is an excellent win-win for the both of us. So again, if you're considering purchasing from Treasure Studios Art, go down below in the description, and that link will be there for you to go ahead and use for 15% off. So by saying that, everyone, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye for now.